More than 40 states, including Tennessee, have seen an increase in opioid-related deaths since the pandemic began. Our Caroline Corrigan spoke to doctors from Parkridge Medical Center who want to reverse that trend.
This weekend, Parkridge Medical Center is hosting its annual Crush the Crisis Opioid Take-Back Day. In an effort to combat the opioid crisis, people are encouraged to drop off unused prescription medication. Jim Cunningham is an emergency medicine physician at Parkridge. He says these medications can end up in the wrong hands, fueling the start of an addiction.
Many of the people that ultimately abuse opioid pain medications or overdose on opioid pain medications obtain those not necessarily from their own prescription or buying off the street, but they are able to obtain them from friends or family who have leftover prescriptions at home.
Last year, 21 pounds of unused medications were collected during the event. News from the American Medical Association shows the coronavirus pandemic is not helping. It shows several states, including Tennessee, reporting increases in opioid-related deaths since the pandemic began. Cunningham says it's a problem he's seen for himself.
Well, I think anytime that people are forced to be isolated, the social distancing that we're all kind of undergoing right now, I think that can really tax on people's psychological state.
And for people struggling for an out,
I think that drugs and alcohol are frequently the crutch that people use when they're otherwise depressed. So I think pretty much everything that's been going on recently has really exacerbated drug and alcohol dependence, both locally and nationally.
Reporting in Chattanooga, Caroline Corrigan, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.
Crush the Crisis will be held Saturday from 10 till 2 at Parkridge Medical Center on McCauley Avenue.